Question 1. Find the value of z that corresponds to a 94.76% confidence level. Now when I come to this chart right here, I don't have a confidence level of 94.76. So I can't use this table. So what I have to do is I got to create my own normal distribution and figure it out for myself. Now the confidence level always goes in the middle. So I'm going to put 0.9476 in the middle. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a z-score. And it was the positive z-score, so I'm looking for this one right here. Okay, so I need to get these two areas right here. So I know that the entire thing is equal to an area of 1. So I need to subtract out this little area, and I will get the ends here. Okay, so we'll call that alpha. So that'll be 1 minus 0.9476, and we're going to get 0.0524. Okay, now this number is both this end over here as well as this end together. Now I just want one side, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So all we're going to do is we're going to take half of the number that we just found. So divide that by 2, because these are equal areas. They're the exact same area because your confidence level is right there in the middle. So this is 0.0262. Okay, so over here is 0.0262 as well as over here. Okay, so we're going to use a z-score chart or a table, and what that does is it takes from the z-score and adds up all the area from here, and it goes this direction. It's to the left, from the z-score to the left. So I need the confidence interval or level here, and I also need this value here. I need to add those two up, and that'll give me the area from that z-score all the way to the left, and then I can go to my table. So we have 0.9476 plus 0.0262, and that's going to give us 0.9738. Okay, so this is the area or the number I need to find within my z-score table. Okay, so within my z-score table, I'm going to look inside here in the middle. That's where the area is. I'm going to try to find the number 0.9738. It looks like it's right here. Okay, so that means that we have a z-score of 1.94. Okay, so our final answer is 1.94. That's what this z-score is equal to, and that's what we are looking for.